Okay children, shall we look into division? What is division symbol children? Divided by, this symbol is, see, one line and two dots, that is above the line and below the line. Okay, and one more thing I forgot to tell you, that multiplication symbol is into. Multiplication symbol is into. Addition symbol plus and subtraction symbol minus, multiplication symbol into, and the division symbol one line and above the line and below the line two dots. Clear children? Okay. Now shall we do one problem? See here, 4860 is divided by 15. So this number 15 is dividing this number. Okay. Now here we will see this number which is dividing that number is called divisor. D-I-V-I-S-O-R. Divisor. And the number which is divided by that number is called dividend. Dividend. Okay, these two you should remember. The number which is dividing is divisor and the number which is dividing by is dividend. Okay, clear? Okay, I am going to write this number like this. So the divisor should be outside of the bracket and the dividend should be inside of the bracket. Clear? Now see, 15th table you should know, and 15th table where you will get 4. First you see that, compare this number and the first number here, and here you should observe one thing. In addition and subtraction and multiplication we have seen that from the right side we calculated, from the right side we added the number, from the right side we subtracted the number, and from the right side we started the multiplication also, that is from units place. But this is quite opposite, just you observe this children. Here it is the units place, tens place, hundreds and thousands, but we are going to start from the highest number, means highest place. Okay, left to right. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, these three from right to left, okay. But division from the left to right you should do, left to right. Clear children? Okay, hope so you are following. Now 15th table where you will get 4. 4 is very small number. You won't get 4 in 15th table. 15th table it will start with the first number only, 15. So you need to take two digits at the same time. 2 digits at the same time, that is 48. So 48 where you will get in 15th table? 15 3s are 45. And do the subtraction. Okay, in division you should do the subtraction. So you no need to get confused. Okay, need not to get any confusion in this. See, in the division symbol I told you one line and above the line and below the line one dot. Okay, in that only you have one symbol minus. Okay, this symbol means in the division you should do subtraction. Okay, clearly you should understand, you should not get any confusion, and don't add the numbers here. You should subtract. Division symbol you just see that, and here the minus symbol is there, just. So here minus symbol you should use it. Okay, clear? Now minus 8 minus 5. So here subtraction as usual from the right side. So in these 2 digits, right side number is units place is 5. 8 minus 5 is 3 and 4 minus 4 0. So what number you got? 3. So 3 is not there in 15th table because it's very small number. So again you need to take the next number to down, that will be 6. 36. Now the total number is 36. Where you will get 36 in 15th table? So 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30. 15 3s are 45. So you can observe this 45 is not suitable here. It's a big number. So what you should do? You should take 30. Small number only you should take. So 15 2s are 30. Now same minus symbol. Subtract 6 minus 0 6. 3 minus 3 0. Now 6 is not there in 15th table. So as we know that we should take the another digit, that is 0. So what is the total number now? 60. And I want to explain you one more thing. 0. If 0 is there before the number, that 0 is not valid. If 0 is there next to the number, after the number, that 0 you have to count. See here, 060 means here 0 is 0 is before this number and another 0 is after this number. So this 0 is not countable before this number, before the number. For example, see here children, what number is this? See here children, what number is this? 10. If I write like this, 0 is not valid because the 0 is before the number. So it's not valid. This value is 1. If the 0 is after the number, that will be valid. And if the 0 is before the number, that is not valid. Okay, understood? Okay children, now you know the value of this number, that is 60. Where you will get 60 in 15th table? 15 4s are 60. 6 minus 6 0, 0 minus 0 0. The answer is 0. And I want to tell you one more thing while you are writing the number. So where you will get that number you should write here. For example, 15 3s are 45. So 45 you are writing here. When you are writing 45, 15 is here and 45 will be here. Where will be this 3? This 3 should go up. Understood? Here you see 15 2s are, I have written there, 15 2s are 30. So 30 is here and 15 is here. So where is this 2? 2 is above this line. Okay? Understood? Now, what answer we got? Here the answer is 324. This is called quotient. What it is? Quotient. Quotient children. And this one is, as we know that, dividend. Dividend. And this is called divisor. Divisor. And this one is called remainder. Okay, when you will get 0 as remainder, that number is completely divisible by the given number. The given number is completely divisible by the given number. Understood children? Clear? If you get 0, this number is completely divisible by the divisor. Clear? So division problems also I will give you. If there is any doubts, okay, you can personally message me if there is any doubts, or if it is clear, if you are happy with this, please children like our channel. Okay, this is mathematics. So whatever the updates I will give you, that will come to you automatically to your mobile. Okay, like this channel and subscribe this channel children. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, thank you. All the best.